Alright, so here's one of those times where people ask me, is this thing worth being sharpened? Go ahead, open that. Yeah, flip it over for me, please. So you see these, go ahead, close it. These are like scissors that somebody probably bought for $10 30 years ago. I would not waste my time to sharpen them or their money to sharpen them. They're just not worth it. Yeah, you're just better off buying a new one for what these would cost you. So every now and again we run across that where I have to hand the scissor back and say, listen, I would love your business, but it's just not worth doing these scissors.